Hello to all Virgos. I'm Georgia, astrologer for Astrofame, and I'm happy to be here to share the main trends for your sign in 2025. Let's dive in. Dear Virgos, in 2025, you are in a phase of growth. Stepping out of your comfort zone, out of your routines, and exploring new interests will energize you, whether through hobbies, workshops, or professional learning. Uranus and Jupiter may prompt a career shift, a change of direction, or a new role. Embrace new goals and group projects as well. Go with the flow, even if you don't quite know where it might lead you. Don't be afraid to reconsider certain commitments and reevaluate your priorities. On the wellness front, you're in great physical shape in 2025. The key is to plan small, well-being routines and activities that help you relax and unwind. Even when things are going well, you may feel anxious or tense, which can lead to tight muscles or sleepless nights. Consider practicing relaxation techniques, engaging in gentle exercise, or even treating yourself to a massage, all to help manage worries and keep stress at bay. In love, Saturn and Neptune encourage you to deepen your understanding of your relationship. You're identifying your dreams and desires, aligning them with the reality of your partnership to see what can be improved. This periodic check-in brings you closer together. As a result, you could experience a real sense of connection and, for some, even think about marriage or starting a family. However, if your relationship is fragile, a breeze of freedom may sweep in during May, drawing you toward new horizons. If you're single, a fresh approach and honest reflection on what you truly need could lead you to a soulmate. When it comes to your family, you're strengthening your bonds, you're sharing more activities together, enriching your mutual interests. Watch out, though. Money matters could occasionally disrupt the harmony. Fortunately, your attentiveness and helpful nature will smooth over any minor misunderstandings. With friends, you make an effort to enjoy time with your usual circle, even if you're meeting new people at work. In short, in 2025, you'll combine imagination, originality, and adaptability. Don't hesitate to create by following trends and the spirit of the times, all while staying true to yourself.